Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming Office version and license because repairs differ by build. Once you save files and close apps, make sure to note any active add-ins that might block repair. Next, open Control Panel or Settings, select Apps, choose Microsoft Office and run Quick Repair. This fixes corrupt files fast without reinstalling. If Quick Repair fails, don't panic. That's why you'll perform the deeper steps next to restore components and settings safely. Once Quick Repair didn't clear the error, run Online Repair, which reinstalls core components. You'll need admin rights and a stable internet connection. Make sure to disable add-ins first to see if an extension caused failure. If problems persist, create a new Windows user or test a different profile to isolate corrupted user settings. Also check each Office app's options resources for targeted repairs and install the latest updates. To finish, reinstall Office only after running the official removal tool to clear residual files, then reinstall and activate. Restore any corrupted documents from OneDrive or backups and open copies to confirm file integrity. If the issue still appears, collect logs and run Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant for targeted diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: test the exact file on another machine. If it fails there too, the document is likely corrupted rather than the Office installation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.